How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another river episode fishing with DYangBass. Today we are still looking for the keeper walleye. It's been tough. I mean, it's been fun. I've been catching a ton of walleyes. It's been good. Finding that keeper is very tricky. So today, just stick around, hang around. We're gonna fish from shore, cast towards the current there. The water level is a little higher. We're gonna cast into the middle of the river, let it drift, and I'll talk to you guys while I'm fishing. I can break down what I'm doing, and hopefully you guys learn something from that. And let's hope we catch a fish today. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys out on the water. Peace. Alright, so we just waited. Gotta get my pencil sinker leader out here. There's a robin sitting right next to me. Pretty cool. I'll take it as a good sign. Or bad sign, I don't know. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's around 9:45, but that's okay. I like the later bite anyways, just because I believe in the sun warming up the water, the surface at least, get them active, you know. See how it goes. We are pumping flies today, and our goal is to catch a keeper. Alright, no expectation, just a keeper. Haven't fished here in a while, so we'll see if I snag up, right? See if I snag up. Got him. Oh, I read that current right. That's a nice one. Oh, jeez, good fighter, good fighter. Is it a white bass? I think it is a white bass. I think it's a white bass. It's fighting really hard. Nope, it's a walleye. Oh, it's actually a decent walleye. Gosh. Nope, it's not gonna cut it, but it's pretty. It's a pretty fish. Definitely not 18, but it's a nice fish. On the red and green, look at it, just popped right off. Nice little guy right there. Should have brought my net. So, what I'm doing here today is I'm pumping flies, right? You guys know that. From shore, it's like the easiest way to catch them, or most effective way to catch them, because you can actually reach them. By reaching them, you want to throw this guy right here. All right, 1 ounce pencil sinker. Works really well. It can take the beating down there. 3-way swivel with a double fly, or just do single. You don't have to go double. Do single. And color of choices, I like using something solid, and such as like red, purple, or like just straight up white or chartreuse. The water level is a lot higher, and it's definitely faster from what it was like 2-3 weeks ago. So you really got to keep up with the fly. Okay, the water was slower, deeper. I guess I'll work it slower, right? I'll work it according to the current, because you don't want to pump it so fast, right? Maybe when you're white bass fishing, but when you're walleye fishing, you really want to let it settle in that pool a little bit. And anytime you feel a tick, that means you're hitting bottom, and it's probably fairly shallow. You want to get that sinker out of there right away, or else you're going to snag up. But as of right now, just calm areas in the river, if that makes any sense. Having a sensitive rod makes a big difference. Using braid helps, but you really just want to feel what's down there, okay? Just guesstimating. You don't know exactly what's down there. Maybe lay down trees, a car, I don't know. Okay, but you just want to feel. Anytime you feel a tick, you assume it's a fish, or you assume it's a rock or a snag. And by pulling that sinker out of there, you'll avoid your hooks getting stuck in there as well. So that's the trick to it. That's the method of fishing poling flies out here on the river, the Rock River. You can apply this tactic just about anywhere. as long as that river is deep enough. I say if it's shallow, then you might struggle a little bit, but here you can say 5 to 6 feet of water. Maybe some pockets are 7 to 8, but as of what I know from fishing this river for so long, it's mainly 5 to 6 feet. But if the water level covers the sewer, yeah, you're talking about like 8 to 10. Back to pulling flies, you just have to train your hand to pull anytime you feel a tick, okay? It does take practice. It took me about, to be honest with you, it took me about a year, like to actually master how to pull it like this, okay? Some people pull too quick, some people pull too slow. It's up to you, it's your tactic, but for me, what works, anytime I feel a calm current or a calm pull, I let that sinker sit in that pool for a little while, just like this. And I'll just check up on it, I'll twitch it. I try to keep that fly right in there for a while, because sometimes that walleye, they're sitting in there, they're just waiting for the right time for it to twitch a little bit, and they'll grab it at the very last second. Pulling a fly like this, your chance of snagging is really high, so you really do have to practice. You really do have to create dummy flies or buy dummy flies or buy more flies just in case you do snag up and break off. I can't tell you guys how many times I broke off like in the past. Many times. So you're not the only one, you're not alone. It's frustrating, it's depressing, but if you set your mind to it, you can do it, you know. Anybody can do this. Oh, that one. Nice. That's a nice fish. Oh my gosh. It's pulling really hard. I mean, they're all good fighters. They're all good fighters. Gotta get over this tree here. I don't like this landing at all. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Nice little 14 incher. Relax, relax. Just look at how pale they are. So cool. Yep, little guy. Right there. Nice little Walter for you guys. Pretty darn cool. Look how it's flared out. Male. Going back. Alright, so we got two. It's a good sign. Still fun. No complaints. Still lots of fun. Alright, oh geez, and this happens a lot too when you don't pay attention. It's all like messed up. Ah, stab me. It happens, it's normal. This is the frustration that a lot of people don't like about fly fishing, or pulling flies, I should call it, not fly fishing, is the tingle stuff right here. It takes a lot of patience, guys, to pull flies. It does. Alright, we're good. Only took 2 minutes. Got one. That's a nice fish. Oh my gosh, that's a nice fish. Yep. Oh, that's a nice fish. Stay, stay, stay. Stay on the ground, stay on the ground. He's like pretty good. That's 18. That's 18. Oh no, he's hooked. There you go. Look at that, guys. I think it's 18. Look at that fish. Look at that nice walleye. I think it's an 18. We'll see. My fly is completely gone. He was right next to the shoreline too. Oh my gosh. Dude, my fly is gone. Like completely gone. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's way in there. Holy cow, dude. I forgot my pliers. Oh my gosh. And this is how you guys measure, okay? Get him on board, flat surface. Oh, he's almost 17 3/4. Look at that. Pinch tail. Almost 18, look. Almost 18. Oh, so close. Let me get my fly out real quick. here to cut the fly. I have to cut it. I don't want to kill it, so I'm just gonna cut it and let him go. Oh gosh, it sucks, but he's gonna have a fly in his mouth. I don't want to kill him, you know. Just cut it. Well, that fish just took my nice fly. It's okay. I don't want to kill the fish. It's in this, like, you could say it's by the gill area, and I totally forgot my plier. So it's best to just cut the line. I mean, I had to donate my fly, but it's alright. I'd rather just have the fish have a chance of living than it to go and like die off, you know. So it's all good. It's all good. And honestly, that was a good fish too. I didn't want it to die. So letting it go gives it a chance to live. Than me like yanking that thing out just to save material. It's totally cool. Oh gosh, I felt that hit. It was a good swipe. Oh, that's what it was. Big old buffalo. Look at that. That thing's huge. Let me get a picture of that right there. That's a big old vulture. Or crane, I should say. It's coming right to me too. Oh, it's a vulture, dude. It's a hawk. What? It's an eagle. What the freak? That thing's huge. Oh my gosh. You guys can see that, but look how big it is. It's like the size of me. The heck? Is that a bald eagle? Like a preteen bald eagle? Hopefully it's not me, because I ain't that big. That thing could definitely take me on. Oh, there they go. Oh, it is a bald eagle. No way. That's cool. Oh, they're going at it. Oh, they're going at it. Get him, get him. Cut his head off. Go. That's so cool. Wow, those things are huge. Got something. Oh, got one way out there. Holy smoke, dude. Way out there. It's like across the river too. Oh, now he's pulling. Oh my gosh. Now he's pulling. Yep, just surface. It's a little guy. It's not a big one to be proud of, but still. And he's digging. They're way out there, okay. Oh, arm is tired. Here we go. Go. Come on, Bobby, come back. Hurry. Oh, I got him on the under chin. That's why. Little dude. You probably swiped that and missed. Oh, chill, relax. Don't do that. Oh, an alien. It's a human. This is what my parents were telling me about. Yeah, you probably swiped that and missed. Get a little video of this right here. Catch and release, ton of fun. There we go. Way out there. Dude's way out there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's way out there. My freaking arm. That big? I don't think so. Oh geez. Oh, it's actually a nice fish. Okay. Nice fish. Get down here real quick. Oh gosh. It's not that big. Hurry. So far. Do not regain your energy. Do not regain your energy. Oh yeah, it's a nice guy. Wow, dude. It's way bigger than I thought. Jeez. It's way bigger than I thought. Not 18, that's for sure. It spawned out. All right, check it out, guys. It's a little dirty, but on the red fly, red and green fly right there. I'm gonna take this off. Look at that skin hook too. Let me wash it up real quick. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay, never mind. I lost it. Oh well. Oh. Got him. I felt that one. Oh, I went to pause and just crushed it. Man, this is so fun. It's not that big though. Oh, he's way out there. What the freak? Let's cut these clips shorter. Yeah, way out there. Little dude. Little dude. Right into the palm of my hand. Alright, little dude, going back. Got one. They fight hard as heck, dude. Let's see if I can swing this guy. On the purple fly. Little guy going back. There we go. There we go. There we go. Ski him over. Ski him over. Yeah, not a big one, but he's alive. Oh, and he freaking inhaled it. Again, man, they love this purple fly. Look at that. Completely in his mouth. Got it out right there. Nice healthy fish going back. Ooh, look at his back. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna record him go, but alright, that works too. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the short segment. It was a quick outing, 4 hours, and I think we did pretty good. I mean, we didn't catch any keeper, but still fun time just to be out here and pull some flies and pull a couple of walleyes with the amount of time that we have. So with that being said, hopefully you guys learned something today. If you guys like this stuff, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Please comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.